So, good evening, good people. This is Evewin Lakra back again with yet another product review video of my recent big basket order. Let me tell you about the order total. The order total for my today's order is rupees 215, and these are the goodies I purchased from Big Basket on 27th June 2026. Today, Saturday. I ordered these product from Big Basket at around 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and the product delivered within 10 minutes. So what are the products I have purchased? Let me tell you. Today's order I purchased because Big Basket was giving offer in this oil, Dabur brand Arjuna Heart Care Oil. This oil quantity is 1 liter or 910 grams equivalent. Why I purchased this oil? Because it's a blended oil, and this cooking oil from the brand Dabur consists of rice bran oil, flaxseed oil, and sesame oil. This is the first time we have purchased this oil, and I'll tell you how the oil is after cooking some goodies in the coming days with this oil. Okay, total number of product today I purchased is 10, and as I have already told you, I purchased this product or this order. I've ordered this from Big Basket because Big Basket was giving offer in Dabur Heart Care Oil. The MRP of this product is rupees 350 Indian rupee, and I paid just rupees 96 for this product. Isn't it wonderful, guys? Just rupees 96 for 1 liter of oil in this inflation season. You can see the MRP written on the packet is 350, and the product has been manufactured in the month of May 2026, and the expiry date written on the packet is November 2026. So I'll be testing the oil very soon, and I'll inform you how the oil is as compared to other rice bran oil or other blended oil from different brand. Okay, and the second product over here is Parle Top Biscuit. Third product is Parle Happy Choco-Chip Biscuit. Parle Top Biscuit price I paid rupees 9. Parle Happy Choco-Chip Biscuit I paid just rupees 5. This is the Big Basket brand popular Chana 200 grams pack. I paid 23.50 paise 23 rupees actually for this chana. And the next product over here is Emami brand Suji. This is a very nice Suji from the brand Emami. We have tested the product few days back, and it's really good. You can purchase this for just rupees 26. I got 500 grams pack of this Suji or Semolina. The next product here is the Mari biscuit from the brand Sunfeast, ITC Sunfeast brand Mari biscuit. This is the 10 rupee pack. You can see rupees 10 is mentioned over here. And the next product over here is from the brand EAT Better Company. I purchased two different products from this same brand, EAT Better Company. Product number one is Millet-BHEL Bombay Bhelpuri, and product number two is Millet-Bhujia Pudina Masti. So I have to test the product. This is the first time we have purchased this product. Hope it turn out to be good so that I can recommend these product to my viewers, and it's a healthy option as compared to other brands out there. Okay, and the last product over here is the lime or lemon. You can see today I got 7 pieces for just rupees 10. For just rupees 10 I got 7 lemon. Oh yeah. So my bag or Big Basket bag contains these 10 products, and yeah, I paid rupees 215 for these 10 different products, and because Big Basket was giving offer in this oil. I grabbed the offer. You also grab it before the stock ends. And one more thing, you cannot order 2 of this oil in the same order, so there is a limitation of this product. So in one order, I think you can only purchase 1 liter of this oil. Okay, this is the reminder or note from me. So hope you like the product review video from me. This is Evewin Lakra signing off. Grab the offer before the stock ends and happy shopping.